Welcome back, survivors. It's time to see our hard work in action. Let's jump into Project Zomboid. First, launch Project Zomboid and go to the mods menu. You should see our EmptyBottleMod listed here. Enable it and start a new game. And we have an error. This is actually a good thing because now I can actually demonstrate how one would go about debugging your mod if you do have errors. First, exit out of Project Zomboid. Then go to your C drive users, the user you installed Project Zomboid on, and to the Zomboid folder. In here, we have a file called console.txt. It is in this file that we can check what the error is. So let's open that up and scroll down to where we can find the error. Here it is. Let's see. So it says function distributeItems.lua in the file distributeItems.lua line 3 in the mod my first mod. Let's go see what the error is. Now, back in Visual Studio Code, open the distributeItems.lua file in the Lua server items directory. It seems we have misspelled the function suburbs distributions. I forgot to add the S at the end of the function. Add that now and let's playtest again. Now, let's look around for our empty bottle. Check all the bins you come across. There it is. Our empty bottle is now part of the game. We did it. And that's it for this series. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Stay tuned for our next mini-series where we will add functionality to our empty bottle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you next time, survivors.